Can you see more? Oh my God!
Fia sau pe mo ngi fa konga kalo va yesu.
Ole lo se la va yesu.
Ere ko ko kalo ya la ko. Gai fia sau pe mo pe New Zealand.
Ma wala fi kala va yesu.
Papa! Daddy! We're going to New Zealand! We're going to New Zealand!
I get more money here in 3 months than a year in the island.
Yes, do the work, straight back to Samoa.
Popo. Como oye, popora kupi. No sola. Popo!
You don't know New Zealand. How you going to find him?
I'm not gonna go back home with nothing.
Don't worry, I will find him. I'm Bob Titilo, private investigator. I'm sure I'll have everything wrapped up by tomorrow. I have to bag this for evidence. Look at the wingspan of those toes. You can definitely tell those are Samoan footprints. Coffee time. Yeah. On the way.
You're supposed to be helping me.
Can you see more? Oh my God! Elbow, wrist bow, finger bow, knee bow. You are gonna bow down to me.
Why is Alama so desperate to get his money back?
All we do is work for them. Yo.
That's cute.
Alama, money is important.
Family is more important.
Sorry, Sam.
I'm a private investigator, and I will solve this case and get that money back.